Tonight, Metro leaders will discuss smoking in bars and making birth control free for Nashville residents. Those are two of the big topics on the agenda for tonight's council meeting. We are now joined live on the phone by District 32 Councilmember Joy Stiles to talk more about these ordinances. Councilmember Stiles, good morning, and thank you for taking the time to talk with us. First of all, the smoking and vaping bill. Tell me what this is trying to accomplish and what you think about it.
So it focuses on any facility that requires identification to get in for people that are age 21 and up, and preventing smoking in those establishments. And I will tell you, I'm supportive and am a co-sponsor of this bill because one of the things that it does, when I was a performer, there were bars that I had to avoid because there was so much smoke. And so certainly as a creative city, instituting this as a new law allows people, the creatives, to be able to perform. It also prevents secondhand smoke. As we all know, you can get cancer from secondhand smoke. It's important for us to be mindful of health measures, particularly as we're still in a pandemic. We are not out of the pandemic yet. And so this is thinking about the future of everyone here in the city.
Right. And another, I know, big topic of conversation tonight is going to be this family planning bill about making family planning counseling, birth control counseling, and birth control products free to Nashville residents. What do you think about this one? And is this kind of a direct reaction to the overturning of Roe versus Wade?
I believe it is a response. I don't think it's a reaction. It's a response to be able to provide options for people. For those individuals that were considering abortion and now are unable to receive those services here in the state, we then have to provide an option to say, okay, how are you addressing family planning? Do you need to get prophylactics? Do you need to be on the pill? And if that is the case, then it should be free. And it's prohibitive. Cost has been prohibitive for several people in the past. This bill enables people to be able to get it for free, and I think that is important.
Okay. And I know you're very active when it comes to being in contact with your constituents, but why is it important, you think, for people to be involved in the process and involved in the conversation as far as public comment is concerned on topics like these?
Oh my goodness, we have to hear from the public. We have been elected by you to represent you on the floor for all of these bills that are being passed. So if there's something that you're passionate about, certainly you need to reach out to your council member by phone, by email, social media. Let them know what is important to you so they can begin to address that. And certainly we've received a lot of emails in regards to both of these bills. And I think anything that affects the entire city, we do generally receive a response to. Other bills in terms of affordable housing, right? Whenever the budget comes along, we hear from a lot of groups en masse to tell us these are the things that we are passionate about, that we feel the city needs. And it's our responsibility to listen. Of
course. Thank you so much for your time this morning, Councilmember Stiles. Really appreciate it. Folks, the meeting is at 6:30 tonight, historic Metro Courthouse. You can also stream it at nashville.gov. We're also going to have this segment on our website, WKRN.com.